Hi, my name is Arash Pendari. I'm the founder and creative director of Vionlabs. We're a company that works with purpose-driven AI that helps media companies to unlock their potential of their content library. So what our company does is that we're a video AI company that's kind of redefining how audiences are connecting with content. And what I mean with that is that we analyze the actual video file and enrich the actual videos with metadata, like extracting thumbnails, extracting engaging clips, and more or less democratizing the technology that Netflix have had for a long time to build really great user experiences and marketing. So we're utilizing AI to really open that door for all streaming services or anybody that has content or video content. And we create kind of very domain specific products that are really helping very specific teams to solve very specific problems, like the marketing teams or the product teams, or even the media operation teams. So it's all about kind of taking AI and really helping the different teams to scale their work and to be able to do more creative work and focus on what's important, not the kind of manual, repetitive, tedious tasks. So I think one of the tech trends that is definitely going to be something that the industry needs to think about and that is really on the uprise is getting AI to truly understand the context of content, not just describing what it can see, but understanding storytelling, moods, sentiments, to understand how we humans perceive audio and video emotionally, to be able to personalize streaming services or user experiences in general in a much better and powerful way. Because I think, like, if you look at the industry today, marketing has been a very specific way for a very long time, but audiences have really changed. And to meet them on their own terms and kind of approach each audience on a personal level with the thumbnails that is attracting them. If you look at YouTube, they've been doing that for extremely long time, as an example. So to be able to do that, you need to have a very strong foundation of metadata. And what I see where trends are going is to get AI to understand sentiments, moods, and emotions and be much more emotion aware of the storytelling. And I think, of course, a lot of people most likely have seen this, but content creators are getting tools to create much more content, which means we're having a huge boom of video content being created. And all of that content needs data to be able to find their audiences. And to be able to have AI that understands our emotion aware that way, I think is extremely important. And that's a trend we have seen that the AI industry have moved towards, and of course, the media industry as well. So what the visitors can expect when they visit our booth at the AI area at IBC is last year we were very focused on just showing the AI data enrichment on how to extract data from the actual video source. But this year we're really focusing on the application layer, which means actually making the data very usable for the different teams. So we have a product that we have built specifically for the marketing teams and the creatives as an example, so they can much easier generate cool clips for both YouTube Shorts and TikTok and have that vertical video format, but also making sure that they can generate a diverse set of clips, as an example, with different moods. So you can market one movie both with the action scenes towards one audience, but more maybe the character building scenes and the dialogue scenes towards another audience that is more attracted by that. So giving them an application layer where they can really kind of have a steering wheel to control what the AI is generating and what they're getting out from the tools. So we're both doing that for the marketing teams, but also for editorial and curation teams as well. We're going to demo those products at IBC this year. I'm going to sound very self-confident when I say this, but I do believe that we have a future coming up when it comes to content production in general, where anybody can create good stories. I mean, the tools that we see there that is being, the AI tools that are available out there today are really helping content creators to create more content. So I think like in the future, we will see the most amazing TV shows being produced by somebody that you know around the corner. It doesn't necessarily need to be Hollywood that produces the content. So I think kind of democratizing the whole content production is going to be definitely a trend that we're going to see in the future and coming, where more content creators are going to create more quality content and more entertainment. And of course, all of that entertainment, as I mentioned earlier, needs a good foundation of metadata so it can find its audience. because the more content we get, the harder it is for the users to really navigate through those services and find what they're looking for. So I think in content creation and AI generated content and AI supporting content creators is definitely going to be one of the big trends we're going to see the coming years. I don't think it's going to be too far away either. I think it's just around the corner. We're already seeing a lot of content being created by AI from content creators on YouTube as an example already now. I mean, we're super excited for IBC this year. We had a great show last year. We have really seen a lot of, I think, more audiences coming to IBC from more regions. And it's a great place for us to meet people from all over the world. So we're super excited to meet everybody there from the media industry and also look at what's coming up in the AI area.